Good morning, Legion. It's a busy week in the Near ecosystem, and that busy week actually starts today. There are some big tokenomics announcements for Near dropping later, followed at 11 a.m. Eastern Time with the rescheduled and highly anticipated Zola Near X Space featuring Ilya, Zuko, and Mert to discuss Zcash, Near intents, and the future of privacy. Tomorrow, we have the Eco Collab call on Near that Ascendant Ranks will have access to, including a question-answer session with teams from the Near Foundation. As a reminder, the House of Stake is live with 73 participants, 7 active proposals, and more than 1 million VE Near already delegated. It's great to see those numbers steadily climbing. First up in our stories today, the future of content is likely to be AI generated in as little as 2 years, and that's probably not a very good thing. Researchers from Oxford looked at the share of articles written online by humans or generated by AI to find that we have recently crossed over into majority AI written territory, with expectations that this number will steadily increase and in turn affect future AI training and quality. As Ask Perplexity writes, today's AI slop becomes tomorrow's training data, producing worse output, which becomes training data again. Our second and last story today is on the automation of business development by AI sales agents. In this paper from MIT and Johns Hopkins, the authors put forward a number of haunting future dates that start to sound a little bit like sci-fi when it comes to AI automation. By 2026, 40% of B2B deals will be AI agent to AI agent negotiations. By 2027, 50% of procurement contract management will be AI enabled. 68% of Walmart supplier negotiations are already handled by AI chatbots with no human buyers involved, and 75% of suppliers have reported they actually prefer negotiating with the AI over a human. These numbers should wake you up. AI automation is coming, whether that is a form of AGI, ASI, or a very skillful B2B agent. A new AI era is fast approaching. In this context, you are better off joining the Near Legion, pledging to Nirvana, and building community with people who understand the future risks and opportunities of user-owned artificial superintelligence. We'll do this all again real soon.